Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am, you are, and this is MooRRooM. We're gonna do some breathing today. As you hear, we got some brown noise in the background. So if you have some headphones, um, get them things up and ready. You're gonna be sitting or whether you're standing, lying down. Um, oh yeah, take your shoes off, relax, set your intentions. We're going to be doing Pranic Breath 6363. So 6 on the inhale through the nose, expand the belly. Hold for 3. Exhale for 6. And hold for 3. And complete this. Continue that cycle as well. For hand placement, place them on your knees, palms up, you know what I'm saying? As well as eyes closed and crossed. Choose however you do your visualizations. For myself, like I'm standing under a waterfall. All the healing energies coming in through the crown, all the way through from my toes down to Gaia. And all the way back up to the crown. So for me, that's my intentions that I set for myself. You set yours how you set yours. If what I said is something that you feel is going to work for you, do it. Be there. Even if it's just for this time for practice. When you go on your own, that's just you on yours. You will have your own way. How many we should do? Let's do 12. We'll do 12 of those. We'll start off with 3 ohms and get into our 6363. Then we'll end up with our 3 ohms as well. So sitting, feet flat, back straight enough. Shoulder blades back if you can, you know what I'm saying? Throw them things back a little bit. You'll feel that chest open up. So whenever you inhale and you expand your belly, you can really feel that expansion. Even if you want to envision the golden light, the golden sun expanding along with your belly, your lower dantian area. On your inhale, my goodness. All right. Let's get these on. Yeah, just one more thing. For the ohms, OHM or OM, you can put that into your search bar, OHM or OM, and then spiritual meaning or occult meaning. And then, yeah, go see what resonates for you or with you. Let me get these arms. Deep exhale, fully exhale, get everything out of there. Um, allow your breathing to adjust, apply itself, and activate within. Take note of any muscle spasms, twitches, muscle jumps. Take note of the lightness you feel in your extremities and your body. With your eyes closed and crossed, take note of the colors you see in your mind's eye. Signs and symbols, Pender. Signs and symbols. All right, so let's get into the 12. That's 6363. Exhale. And Last one. Smile. Take note of all signs, symbols, colors, feelings, emotions during this breath exercise. Everything you see in your mind's eye. If you're on your way to some spiritual work, quote reading, some meditation, yoga, breathing exercise, nature walk, communicating with your ancestors, spirit guides, higher self, and they're gonna do what you do now. You know, if you want to go into some chaos writing, take 5-10 minutes, just write down everything that you're feeling. Write down how good you feel. Move. For those who are going back out into the world, heading back to work, heading back to your job, heading back to your homework or test, or going to do dishes, back out with the kids, or driving here, driving there, going here, going there, dropping this off, taking care of this. At this moment, with your eyes closed and crossed, cover yourself in brown leaves, chocolate, trees. You can visualize yourself falling back into a pile of leaves and doing doing like the snow angel in the leaves, brown leaves. Ground yourself before you go back out. You know what I'm saying? You just altered your state of consciousness. That's what you're doing. You are, not me, you. You are altering your state of consciousness. Therefore, you are in control of your state of consciousness. So if you're going to be in control, since you love being in control, shouts to the ego. You love being in control. Let's do that. Surround yourself with brown. So you're not so goddamn high as shit when you come up out this meditation that you then start fighting off people and doing whatever, using whatever weaponry you can to get to stay in that state. It's like, nah, you know what I'm saying? We can be in the middle of now here. So do that. Surround yourself with brown. Deep breaths. We're going to end with 3 ohms. Deep exhale, fully expel all air out. One. Last one. Om. Appreciate you coming through. Continue on your practice at 6363 Pranic Breath. Go look it up as well. Meditate on it. Write it in your notes, your diary, your journal. And then connect to some information as well, whether it be deities with breath control, breath practices, conscious breathing by you, Shiva, the Bodhisattvas, sattvas. So, yeah, all those energy streams are within you. Like this isn't some, oh yeah, appropriation. We don't like that's some humanity shit. That's some earthly shit. That's some dim shit. So be on what you be on. Experiment with every experience and experience every experiment. Take notes. Take as many notes as possible. Um, write down your adventures. Because everybody isn't supposed to believe it. That's why you do it. I mean, you love watching the TV shows about it. You love watching the movies about it. You love reading books about it. You know what I'm saying? So why not write yours? So continue to write your own experiences. Take lots of notes. Take time to meditate. Like what you just did was meditation. Um, that's and then taking that and you know what I'm saying, getting into some affirmations, getting in, communicating with your higher self, communicating with your ancestors, communicating with your spirit guides, uh, visiting places and going to places in the mind where you haven't gone, that you remember physically. The remote viewing, the astral travel. So bend your mind. You still got imagination. Would you do it for the love? 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 Hey.